Hi guys, this is Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. So this month's Betterpress of the Month is Windy Fall Leaves with all the fun leaves, and we also have a registration template to go along with it. So if you haven't seen it yet, the Betterpress system is super easy to use, and these registration templates are fantastic. You just tape it down to the chase of your platform, and it tells you where to put all of your individual Betterpresses, Betterpress plates. This one comes with a bunch of leaves, so you just place them in there. The template is all color-coded, so you know right where it goes. Then on the platen, and I probably have the words backwards, but one's a clear plate and one is a magnetic piece. So on the clear one, you line it up again with those registration marks that show where the card size is. Flip it over so the card is going to be facing the plate and run it through your die cutting machine, because what happens is the little springs that these are mounted on pushes together. They basically, as they're going through your die cutting machine, it presses everything together and presses the paper down into the cardstock. Now it's better if you decide to use some of the Betterpress paper or a heavyweight or watercolor cardstock. You're going to get a better debossed impression, but this is great for also just stamping some of the fun colors onto regular cardstock, because it comes out perfect pretty much every single time. I mean, look at that. It is looking so pretty already. I'm going to go ahead and finish running through the rest of the colors. There we go. Our panel is all done. And now we can mount that onto our card base. I decided to also use a red matting layer to kind of go along with my leaves, and added one of the sentiments that's included in the set too. So this turned out super sweet. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you guys have a wonderful day. Bye guys.